Hey everyone, today we're taking a quick look at Lemme Play Gummies, a trendy supplement that claims to support hair health and reduce shedding. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, according to the official website, Lemme Play gummies are designed to nourish your hair from within, featuring a blend of vitamins and nutrients aimed at promoting healthier, stronger hair. The gummies focus on reducing hair shedding and encouraging growth. On Reddit, users have mixed feelings. One user shared they disliked the vomity peach flavor, but noticed a significant reduction in hair shedding after about 2 weeks of use. This suggests the product might have some positive effects, especially when combined with other treatments like vitamin D supplements and scalp massages. However, as with any supplement, results can vary, and it's important to give it time and be patient. Now, for the final verdict, are Let Me Play gummies legit? They seem promising and some users report real benefits, but they're not a magic cure. If you're struggling with hair shedding, these gummies might be worth trying alongside professional advice and other treatments. Thanks for watching. Have you tried Let Me Play gummies? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and wellness tips. Take care of yourself and your hair.